a survey, every research study has what we sometimes refer to as the logical structure. And really the logical structure just kind of refers to the 5 elements of the study, okay? And so they're represented by this little figure here. So in the middle is what we call the what, okay? And the what is what we've already talked about. It's exactly what you're trying to find out as part of your study. So it's the sort of objective of the study. Once you've figured out what you want to study, then usually the next question you want to ask yourself is, who is your population? So the next thing we're going to talk about is how do you define your population and sample from that population so that you're able to get a representative group. In this case, whenever you're designing a research study, once you've decided what you're studying and who your population is, usually the next step is to think about your methodology. So in this case, today, the how is going to be a survey, so that's already decided for us. The where and the when might seem kind of obvious. You know, typically where is your particular library, but you might want to think about things like if you have branches or different spots throughout campus, you might want to just think about where these things are going to be distributed. You might want to think about whether you're going to send these out, for instance, through listservs and whether or not you have comprehensive listservs. And just make sure that you're kind of touching on all of the different aspects of your particular organization. And then finally, when, kind of obviously, refers to the time frame that the survey is going to take place. And once again, that might seem kind of obvious, but one thing you want to think about is if there are times when